What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we have the Grave slip-on that we're going to install, but this thing is very, very well made. I don't like the fact that it's just a sticker on here, but I mean the carbon fiber looks awesome. The welds look really nice on this thing, and the interesting part is it doesn't even come with a DB, which is kind of interesting. I mean, I probably wouldn't run the DB anyway, but shocking that it doesn't come with it. But we'll go ahead and get this thing installed real quick, and then we'll get out on a ride. I'm gonna start up here with these 5mm hex keys, and we'll drop both of these out real quick, because I'm not sure if I want to take this lower piece off or not yet. I mean, you can see I'm definitely kicking this with my heel, so I can only imagine if there's absolutely nothing there, you know that exhaust pipe is gonna be hot as hell, so it'll be interesting. There we go, so it's just a little slide out clip that is in there that's holding that, so you just slide it forward. So it looks like we got 12mm down here, 10mm up here, and a 12mm wrench for the nut on the back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this one first, and we will leave this on and then go for our actual clamp down here. So there we go. You can tell it's good and loose. And keep the knee under here while I pop this thing off, because we will be reusing all of this. So we'll keep this nut and bolt, and there we go. So that's kind of interesting too. Like, this thing is absolutely heavy as hell, and this guy is really freaking light. So just that alone is some actual savings there. So that's kind of cool. That's definitely exciting. There we go. Pretty freaking simple installation for sure. Got that on there. And we are 5mm hex key with the Graves clamp here. So I'm gonna get this done first, and then we'll tighten this up. That way we're not binding or moving the lower piece. All right, good and tight. Last real thing to do is to get some kind of rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is good. I actually have these tech spec rubbing alcohol strips. We wanna make sure that anything we've touched on here, we're gonna clean off. That way our fingerprints don't burn into the steel as it changes color. So there we go. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, Jesus. Wow, now she sounds like a real race bike. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty freaking rad. It's a nice little upgrade. I don't think it's that insanely loud. It is definitely considerably deeper, which is freaking awesome. It's about exactly what I would want out of it. I think what else is really neat is it does actually say, well, at least on the dyno testing that Graves did, we actually are going to get these numbers now out of just the exhaust, knowing that we're pretty much gimped pretty good on this bike, which kind of sucks, but at least with just a simple slip-on, we're actually gaining stuff.
God, that sounds good. Oh, the little front tire is starting to come up. Phew! New little exhaust is freaking rad. Can't wait to get tuner in. That would be so much freaking nicer. I mean, not to say that I don't like the power of the bike, even with it like heavily detuned, it is still so much fun. I know I already said that in other videos, but man, this thing's freaking cool. Oh, listen to that. Oh, freaking bumps. All right, that's it. I appreciate you. I'll see you next week. Bye.